Good evening, everyone. Let me know if you're seeing me. Let me know if you're hearing me. I know that not many persons are here right now. I know so that would have been the case for the first stream here. They are cracked. All right, let me fix that early. I'm gonna check back this over here so I see what I go on. Microphone up and running. Boom, boom, boom. Testing one. Yeah, man. Good to go. Microphone up and running. Boom, boom, boom. All right, Pete. So, teacher, yeah, Shelly, me have to wear the red shirt, because a popular demand, popular request. The ladies and say they love see the red shirt, so me just wash it again. You understand? Done it up again. You know the thing go. I'm gonna try to set up something over here. So I know say the first time me stream over here. So yeah, make sure it's everything up and running, up and balance and thing. Boom, so yeah, so try to get the stream up there, so. All right, so good there, so. Zine. Yes, so you know, find it, yes, so. Peeps, just beard me a little while. I'm gonna try to get some things up and balance. You know what thing go? You see me? Oh, I see myself there, so. All right, teach. And I look bad at all in your red shirt. Come here, so. Boom. Try to get myself, yes, so. See? See if anything pop up on this. Yeah, me I see myself, yes, so. Manners, peeps, but there you know. You understand what I say? Oh, let me get the chat up, yes, so. And thing. Yeah. Peeps, what Sizzler say? They can't keep a good man down. Always keep on smile when they want us to frown. You understand me as a peeps? Them chew with lemon, so we have make lemonade with that something there. You understand? For the persons who would not have known, by now, I have been restricted from streaming for the next 3 months. The strike expires on the 20th or the 26th, sometime in August there. In our 20s there. So the whole summer kind of blighted, but we still give thanks because here what? We can reach the people them on different platforms. Some people that suggest Facebook, some people that suggest IG. And I really might place them there. And when I looking at it, I say, boom, see, you know, I have a channel I go and I want to do some work on, but the I and I don't reach in the gym from January. You understand? So the I and I never to upload no video on that channel yet. But we kind of plan to that channel down the road. You understand me? I say, so me I say, you are going to know. In order to monetize the channel, you have to have 4,000 hours of view time. You have to have 1,000 subscribers. So why not take the opportunity to build a channel in the meantime? You understand? Zane? The more them fight, the stronger we get. Peeps, we're there. I know say it's stream now gonna be Vendetta Empress she find it. Whoosh! I see a word. So peeps, we know say the numbers now gonna be as great as normal tonight because of the first time we're over here. What I'll do each week when I stream over here, I will upload the delayed version on the channel and teach them just the same so the people who miss it can come see it over this at the same time because we still have to balance the watch time and thing. So I take the first couple of minutes to show the people them want to go on. In 2017, May the 19th exactly, I would have uploaded that video. You know them time that the channel did in infancy state, same way we are trying to get look of views and thing. We kind of did upload some videos sometime we never really need to upload and thing in a reality. You understand what I say? So one of them videos that it's still about and somebody flag it, Zane, say it is portraying harassment and bullying, and YouTube said they want to review it, and when they reviewed it, they would have agreed with the suggestion, and as such, they would have removed the video from the channel and placed the channel on a 3-month suspension. Zane, YouTube is becoming more and more difficult for creators, and it is becoming more and more anti-creator, if you want to say that. It is not friendly to us anymore. It is a struggle. Practically 1 in every 3 videos that I upload is not fit for monetization anymore. So thank God for a few patrons that we kind of send on a thing from time to time. Said we. You understand what I say? Because at the end of the day, I work though. And as I normally tell you, say more time, I know some of the video them, I can't go monetize them, but the message have to reach them. As skill I say. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, still, it's not always about the money, but the money have its place, though. because we want to finish certain things and get certain things up and running. So peeps, that's the thing there. So we will not be streaming on Teach Them until that strike. Hopefully we gonna get the next one by them time there, because them things are funny, you know. You understand what I say? So we are going all out and we are give thanks, and we are, as my father say, hope and pray. Hope and, you understand what I say? So that's the thing, the piece. I'm not too rambling with the thing, because I just have to make you know what go on. So until August, this is where we will be on a Friday night at 7:30 p.m. and on a Sunday evening at 5:30 p.m. As I said, I will upload the videos on Teach Them just to see them after, because everybody will get to watch them. You know the thing go, peeps. See, because I work, we are work. Don't. So big up to all of the people that might run in and subscribe quick and fast. We need to hit 1,000 subscribers real quick, and you understand? So we can start eating food over here, as I said. Because what? Can't make we side sucking, like, you understand, we malnourished. You want to eat a food too, you know what thing go. So peeps, enough of the talking. You don't know what thing go. We are going all out. You understand? And I know some people that kind of glad when the stream get licked. You know people stay. I know some people are rejoice, but you understand? As Bob Marley said, I'm full of tune tonight, you know. Them I got tired to with face. And them can't get way out of the race. You understand what I say? And as Progress say, if you not get fighting, it make sense. The more them fight, so we get strength. You understand? We push through the obstacles. Them man push through the obstacles. You see me? And that's the thing, the peeps. You understand? The more them fight, the stronger we get. You see? Peeps, we're there. I don't want to kick off a thing, but even intro on a topic tonight, but just get into it. I want to big up some people before I do anything. You understand? Because I see some people were checking real early. See, so I make you access my chat. Yes, me I see Vendetta Empress. What she say? Whoosh. Zane, Blessed Son, Miss Riley Express, Shelly M, Damian White, Marsha, big up yourself. It's Marsha. Natural Reese, you find it. Pauline Smith, Junior Dirt, 2K3, Junior Wagwan Youth, the Royal General, Big Brother. What you say? You sure have to go on and you know the thing got. You understand? And peeps, in the meanwhile, when you can make a one tweet, you understand, or a one post on Facebook for say the thing that you saw and them can check out. You understand what I say? Giggles, what go on family, but there you know. Zane, the more side, manners and respect. Jay, Chrissy, you know a thing, you know. You understand? From day one, I say teach, we have to try some new platform and thing. Millicent Thomas McDermott, me I heal up everybody before I start tonight. That's something there. Jay done one. That Jay, pick up yourself and a big brother, you know a thing. Go, you know, you're general, you know. You understand? Oh, there's no. Amelia Williams. Oh, Amelia Williams is actually my colleague. Shana, big up yourself, mama. Everything good? Hey Tasha, what's up? You alright, princess? Everything good? Which one we there now? Zane? Charmaine, well, born winner, me like that name there now. And that name that me I got me a Tiffy. Cause right now is a born winner. You understand? This year we have to be the winner. Because me now make the week pass and them no see teach them face. Ask that comfort. Or go on Youth. Kingston 2, what you dealt with? Julian Smith. That's so much people in the building already. You understand? Daniel Scarlett. Daniel, me I pray the first time I see the name the Empress for the first time. Welcome and big up your damn self, you know. You understand me? I say Julian Smith, Julian Gillis. Bombard, the name them I kill me. Pauline Smith, Jasmine Reynolds. Jasmine want to go on. The AC now go to tariff for that stream. I understand now. I'm glad you come subscribe and show your face. You understand? Angry business moment. Be safe. So peeps, we're there now. Chat ready for chat. You understand me? I say a portion of things going on Jamrock, Jamaica land we love. Land of Food and Water, Bob Marley, you see, and both Vibes Kartel, Marcus Garvey teach them family and a portion of people. You understand what I say? Peeps, boy, I don't know. Leroy Russell, more popularly known as Tamily. A man, boy, everywhere man got trouble for lying, yeah, man. Right now, a man figure repent and baptize, he want to look like. Because say, Uncle Demon thing, they just trail him. You understand? I know a man can exorcise all the demons them running because everywhere him go, every turn him turn Makajuki. In got Dominica one time them say him can't work, them turn him back. You understand? Them saying can't work on some fest. Them saying can't work this. Them saying can't work this. Them name him as a person of interest. Then detain him. Then question him. Then charge him. Then can't go court. You understand me? I say him start get few more show. Him start get back a look of vibe. You understand? And just like him start get back a look of vibe, them circle him again. You understand me? I say we ain't cautious. You know what thing go, brother? Them can't stop the flow, man. Them can't stop the show. You understand? The show must go on. The killer say, teach them. Always I make sure so the message I reach them. We say you need garlic. Right now you need more than garlic, you know. Shana, you understand me? I say Tamir 187, you're fine with. You see me? And me as a PS, I want delve into the family thing on a different level tonight. You understand? Because if you have noticed, I have not uploaded a video on the story, and a lot of views are on the story. I just decide, you are going, I'm going to make that one a slide, you know. Zane, because you don't know anything going, we kick back and we watch what go on and we analyze the thing. And you understand me? I say, I want to put it out here from early. Zane, my grandmother always tell me, say, you know, she smoke without fire, yeah, sir. Zane, and for the bat, many persons, many vloggers, because as I say, peace, in a real life, I stop watch certain things on YouTube. You understand me? I say certain man, the video could pop up a million times and I watch it. You understand? Because we kind of realize the part of some people depend, Zane, and some people are really in a truth and right and morality and principles. You understand me? I say, and if you don't really depend that right, I don't want to see you. You understand me? I say, so watch me now. And I enjoy review in a long time. I shout to you, brother, man. Easy, brother, man. Big up yourself, brother, man. Junior Lewis, so go on. You find it. See, so watch me and our peeps. Yeah, man. I saw a thing going, brother, because them say we can't stream for 3 months over teach them. You understand? But we have to make sure the message reach them. So, you know, we have to find our next week. So, this is the second channel when we did that try build from longer time, but we never get back around to it. Because I get fat, you know, because I top guard gym. You understand? So I can't put up no fat video for the thing. You see me? I say, you can't be Gym Life JA and you're fat for anything. You know, make no sense, family. You see me? So we're soon running back on the gym and start upload on this more regular still. You understand? Because you have to have a feel safe, you know, because YouTube and move like government, you know. You understand me? I say, and as a youth start to rise, them start fight them, you know. This is a YouTube thing there right now, you know. It's a battlefield piece. I tell you, really, I mean, I have to deal with them every day. You see me? But it struggles have to go on. So watch me as no peeps. Every man automatically start jump up, say, the police, them, I try to set up family and I fight family and them sit there. I want to say this. I want to know from day one, peeps, that family is an artist, so we have a lot of time for. I think family is a very underrated youth, Zane, and family are more quality than enough of them when you see a hype up themselves. You understand me? I say, but the youth just sad. But I want to say this, you know. As I said before, my grandmother always said, you don't say smoke without fire. Smoke not just appear, so some fire the somewhere. And you can't tell me, say, as a well-thinking Jamaican, whether you're in the yard or in the diaspora, so many different times police have named family as a person of interest, as detain family, as question family, and you don't feel like say family involved in some things untoward. I know say family guilty of anything, you know. I just want to say right now, the man them will get up and say, yo, I fight family. Like, me don't necessarily know say that I go on, and I don't necessarily know say family guilty or family innocent. But what I want to say is that it thing a pile up, and it a say, yo, if them I say teach them, police want to teach them repeatedly. Because it means to teach them in a organized crime and teach them involved in a gang and teach them in a latches scamming and teach them in a portion of things where them say family involved. And I repeat, from 2015 every year family got in a detention. Every year they question him. In 2015 he was warranted by the Kingston Eastern Police for a shooting that took place on one lane named Sanders Avenue. See? In a 2016 and detain him for events that were occurring in flankers. You understand? In a 2017, in a 2000 and what me there you know? Cause me all can, but me I tell you say from 2015. 2015 was the latches scamming thing where them did arrest him. That case is now in front of the Home Circuit Court. Zin, 2016, the shooting were going on Sanders Avenue. 2017, the gang warfare, violence thing we are going to mobile, them say I'm responsible for some things we are going to flank. As a matter of fact, me see this, let me show you all them vloggers they are dumb. Because I'm going to beat someone tonight, you know. See? Some of them see a man there, run got the video, say Tommy Lee in charge of the Spartan gang in St. James. And Tommy Lee is funding the Spartan gang. And them the same man now, I come say, I fight the system, I fight Tommy Lee. And Tommy Lee in us on a fool like. Lawless, big up yourself, family. See? On a fool, some man. I want to go to school. I would teach you know. Eh? You come say the man responsible for gang and guns, Sparta gang, in a flankers there, and South Spring and Glendevon and Canterbury and all, Brown and them place there. And then you see him when I come back, come say, I fight police, I fight the man, and I set him up, and police kidnap Tommy Lee. I want to know, man. Me feel like me there conky alone in the fired man. If you can't manage a YouTube thing, you low it up, man. Be consistent, family. Because a lot of the things them with some of the people them, because let me tell you see influencers on YouTube, you see the reach where we have, it's incredible. See, you'll be amazed as to some of the people them watch your thing, family. You understand what I say? And we are shaping opinions, we are shaping conversations, Zane, and we are influencing people's thought process. You understand what I say? And some people no on the level of intelligence there for decipher so that man are really idiot, you know. Everything when some man tell them a gospel. And the man them we are preaching gospel a sin of them. Yeah, God, hell family. One of easy man. And the man them we are run down the views. And the likes them on YouTube with some crap video. I don't stop it. I know someone don't watch. I probably don't watch that one because someone know are some low key fans, you know. You understand? I not too front up, but on there, I wanna dislike the video them too. But me God go you know because me not forward, you know. I want forward me I gonna is straight forward, so we not forward over so. No detour to a thing. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. With great influence come great responsibilities, family. And we need to stop using a platform and profess and proliferate foolishness. You understand what I say? Yeah, me I say, man, I no go, man. Because some of them sick. I want to go watch a video them in the peeps. Me I encourage them to go watch them. I see a man them when they want to say Tommy Lee innocent and this. I just see a man them come talk about say Tommy Lee responsible for Spartan gang. Yeah? Yeah, me don't know. You see me? The same man them Jamil do him and Jamil in a look thing. And Jamil, my father do song about scamming with Tommy Lee. Jamil the song about scamming, and at the same vlogger them uplift and highlight them scamming thing there. And then them a say, yo, when Jamil say it in a song, everything good, but say when police say Tommy Lee in a scamming, not no go so. But Jamil and my father can say Tommy Lee a scam, and everybody good with it because it's all in music. And when the police them a say the man is a scammer, your ear say I pick police, I pick pan him, man. No fool. Eh? Me hope someone in here watch this, you know. Me I say, man. Raya saying now watch none of them. Raya, me just want you see for yourself, say, man, them are idiot family. You understand? Actually, me not go upon them thing more time for car more time, you know. A good thing me leave to watch them thing again, you know, because I still me don't want no controversy in my thing. I mean, I'm not with no man. But at the end of the day, man, them for go, man. It's like them forgot so them did upload the video there because of the likes them do it for. Them not do it for the truth or the matter, the thing. You understand what I say? On the easy, man. Back to the Tommy Lee thing, I know. Deputy Commissioner of Police, I think he might have ranked there. Elan Powell, he is responsible for the JCF section of the state of public emergency in St. James. Because I want to watch this, you know. Tommy Lee was arrested in Kingston, in St. Andrew, after leaving Magnum Kings and Queens final, which was held at the Melbourne Cricket Oval off Courtney Wall Drive, near halfway tree there. So, me and yes, Tommy Lee go on ATM, and when they come out of the ATM, then corral him and take him. So he was arrested in St. Andrew. However, he was brought to St. James, which is currently under a state of public emergency, which gives the police extraordinary powers where they can detain persons for extended period of time. And I guess the police, them guess this in our plan, them plan it, you know. Because Elon Powell I say, you know, and Peace. Remember me telling you, say, you know, I now say Tommy Lee guilty of nothing, you know. And I can't say Tommy Lee innocent because I don't know. But what me I say is that you can't, police are call you every single teen year from 2015 to 2018 and a question and a detain you and your hand just clean so. Like me not think you're salt so family. Do you understand what I say? So watch you know. The man them take Tommy Lee from St. Andrew, you know, and came go Moby because them want to detain him longer. Him lawyer, Ernest Smith, I say, you know, that is unconstitutional. Elon Powell, I say, man, tap your eyes here, man, because it's still under the state of emergency, even though it was declared from Montego Bay, the police have the authority to transfer any criminal or any detainee from one parish to the next. See? From one parish to the next to face the courts or to face investigators. So, man, I say that is a moot point right now. So, might as well, you're tapping nice. At that, the man I say, and me I say so. See, whether it's unconstitutional, I cannot say because me don't know the laws of the land that deeply as it relates to the legalities of that situation. But me don't want to say it sounds like something that was coordinated, it was planned, and some thought was put in it. Why? Because Elon Powell, the same one said, Tommy Lee, and me quote the police and all. He must say Tommy Lee is a serious gangster. And he must say that statement is made based on intelligence that would have accumulated over a period of time because Tommy Lee would have been under surveillance. I don't know if a video surveillance or what kind of surveillance, but the man says that. You understand? So the man said they would have been gathering intel on Leroy Russell, OC Tommy Lee, OC Sparta Bass, OC Uncle Damon, OC some other things. You understand? For a while. Zane, Lawless says a setup. I don't know, family. You understand what I say? I don't know if it is a setup or it was a coordinated move by the police because based on my information, Tommy Lee is no longer living in St. James. So the man who then take himself from St. James. You understand what I say? But taking yourself away from St. James don't mean that you are removed from St. James, if you understand what I say. You know? So I tell you what the police them I say, you know. Junior J.A., welcome, see me. And I say a word. See? Tommy Lee has been arrested 5 times within the last 2 years. May I say that again? Because some people look like them not understand all the things said. Tommy Lee has been arrested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in a 24 months. So basically 5.5 months the boss there jail. 4 and 3/4 month there. So, I don't know how the setup really dropping still in all this. Because I like something just happened out of blue saying something has been ongoing. It's like it's a yearly thing. Your rights are passage through the year. You understand? I'm going to do my time. I do my detention. I'm going to do my questioning and then I come back. Yeah? Joker say if your name now call up, then nothing now go on for you. But brother, me don't want my name call up, say better not go on for me. May I tell you? My name, no, sir. No. He has been listed as a person of interest many times. See? Many times. I tell you in 2015, 2016, 2017, and 2018. In 2017, he and his lawyer would have filed a lawsuit in the tune of $20 million against the Jamaican government. I want to go look for that video there and watch it. I definitively stated that in that video. Even if Tommy Lee feel are done by the police force and the justice system. I don't think that filing that lawsuit at that point in time when he has a criminal matter in front of the courts was the best idea. I think the timing was wrong, and I even went as far as to say that it will backfire on Tommy Lee, because them are going to see it as a fly up in the face of the establishment. And you their court for latches coming and you are coming look $20 million from the government. How we know our government and politics running at this country. It was ill-advised. Yes, if you want to take the government to the cleaners, win your case first. You know, file lawsuit in the middle of a criminal proceeding. Well, I would approach it that way still. See, I don't have any legal training. Anything you hear is research or we do, and somebody will have the legal knowledge might say I want a few things to it. And you understand? But I say it was a bad idea. It was a wrong idea. The timing was wrong, and it would have backfired. I don't know that it has, but that was just my opinion. You understand me? I say, Mick, manners and respect. Johnny boy, we are dealt with youth. You reach over here. See? Some people are talking and commenting. I don't ignore me, I ignore the boat. You see me? Me soon talk to you. Watch out now, peeps. He was denied bail, and Judge Wang Small, you know, is the judge who will be presiding over Shanika Gray's murder trial. So Judge Wang Small, one will have meds and you understand, keep the thing going. She said right now, Tommy Lee lawyer them, when they come back at court next week Tuesday, the police are going to give them reasons as to why he should be held in detention or why I shouldn't get him thing. You understand me? I say, me no want a police a call up my name, I say. And a send for me. Me no have time for them the lifestyle. Say, but that's going to make me know I'm popular. Me no want a popularity there. Me go and be a nobody. Stay in obscurity and oblivion. Because I say, right now, me can't go deal with them the lifestyle. If that for make me popular, then he can't go on. You understand? You see me? Yeah, man. Me no want the popularity there. Ellie London, want go on having some jerk chicken. Well, I know you are the jerks. Ellie, me forgot to say you just reach a yard, you know. I'm happy you reach safe. Happy that your flight was safe and you're there yard soaking some sunshine and you say you beat up some jerk chicken and one thing. You understand what I say? You know, we are going to make a link. Remember, you have to email me and thing. You understand what I say? So, Ellie, welcome back a yard. Manners and respect. But like when you touch yard, you know, make them know, say, yo, you think kind of slippery sometimes. But if you walk straight, you know, slide. You understand what I say? Go some more, go on, brother. Watch out now, peeps. Ready again now. I want leave the Tommy Lee argument by saying this. See, I'm telling you before, peeps, Tommy Lee is an artist that I rate highly. See? And at the end of the day, me rate an artist for them music, not for them lifestyle. Because I would have said this about Vybz Kartel before. On a lyrical level, nobody not compared to Adidja Palmer. And people might not agree, but that's my personal opinion. Nobody does for me mentally when me listen to music than what Kartel do for me. The man just different. But me I say Kartel lifestyle choices are not lifestyle choices that I would choose for myself or my friends. You understand what I say? Tommy Lee in the same mode. You dig? If Tommy Lee innocent, I hope say the justice system will prove that and he will be vindicated and then he can sue who he wants to sue. If Tommy Lee is not innocent, then I also hope the justice system run its course. And that's my thing, the peeps. But me want to say you can't, police can lock you up 2014, 15, 16, 17, and 18. I just innocent. So. Like, me not sure how that works still. You understand? Yeah, brother, I know it's a street cred important, but there must be a line where your street cred bill full, sir. Are you nearly full and you don't want no more money because right now, your street cred. What is street cred when you're there prison, a spread bed? Let me rhyme it up here now. Let me ask you again, Joker. What is street cred when police are for your head and you're going to end up either dead or prison, a spread bed? Eh? Makes no sense. No sense at all, family. Yeah, the JA, go on. Enough ignorance. Hello, Empress. How are you? It's great to have you. I see you're fine over here. I appreciate it. You understand what I say? The haters are not fine over here, you know, because we don't get no thumbs on it. So I real people up there. You understand? Ruth Daily, what go on? Yeah, man. So peeps. Letitia Cunningham, what go on? A freedom, I say all lawless. I talk to one of my colleagues today, I say, right now, you see my freedom. I tell you that, nothing greater than that. You understand? You know you have the ladies there because, you know, without the ladies, them, it don't make no sense. You understand? When you add the freedom, plus ladies, plus my daughter, you understand? That's my thing. I might triangle that. Me equilateral triangle. You understand? No scaling or isosceles around here. You see, you couldn't find me. I don't know you miss it, Eddie, and I look on the size of my head. Oh, you miss it. I don't know. I'm glad you find it still. You see red shirt, a shine across the whole of YouTube. All right, welcome, though. I'm glad you reach Ruth. Watch me on our piece. Ready, now. Road gone. A racehorse groomsman, was shot dead at a home that he was with his girlfriend in Gregory Park. His name Orlando Marshall. Then call him Cooley. Zane? So reports are at about 2 a.m. must about Wednesday or Thursday morning. One of them morning there. You understand? One of them morning there, about 2 a.m. there, the brother and his girlfriend must be asleep. So yeah, the GSC said the manager, but you know, I know me look on the paper yet, me I tell you the God Almighty truth. The youth them said it manageable, but me hear that every year still. You see me? So when we pre the paper still, we see what go on. You understand? Yeah, man. And them kick off the door, shoot him up, cut him short, shoot the girlfriend in her 2 foot, and then they left. Me don't know what the situation read that. You understand? And the police them must say it related to gang feud and done feud and wrong feud and mad feud and some feud. You understand? Some of us I couldn't know. Me leave it too and get too deep in that. Simple sin. Hey, beautiful. What go on, Cindy? You good? You find the thing, man. I appreciate that. You understand? And please make sure someone just find the thing and make sure you subscribe because I want to build a channel there too. You understand? I want to make core people, so I want to build it up. Yeah, you're very late, but your beautiful face make up for it tonight. We're not too pressure you. You understand? Welcome. Watch me now. Thug strike again with gun attack on Darling Street. A taxi driver was shot in his face about 3:30 p.m. I want put that in a context. Zane? 3:30 p.m. like a middle day. You understand? We not look for boy at night. Hey, we the people in a broad daylight. 6 pounds we walk with the AK light. I want to do some we not play fight. We are atted. It chop up like a airplane flight. Them boy they just start but you know long way. You understand? Yo, I make a day they go for the man. And here we go on. Here why this frightening. Darling Street, right? That's how the bus park there. One police station basically there in a bus park, practically. Right now, if you're in a police station and you poop, them here in a bus park. That's so close to there. Right now, if you're in one bus and you poop too low, then you're over a police station. And say, you know, imagine, yes, me hang out with killer too much. I can't tell them tune still. See? Watch out. Imagine in the bus park, there, so we have police, that a police post, you know, a police station, the Darling Street police station, you know, they right there, so man can drive up in a middle day, shoot a man in them face, drive away, and police not get involved in that look sitting there. Me not understand that. You see me? Set away. But away. Basically, in a police station, the man then go shoot the man, you know? Because I tell you, say, in a police station, they right, you know, the thing, you understand? Close. So I saw the man them brace. But basically, what them say still is a tit for tat gang feud, war feud, turf feud we are going to West Kingston there. That was yet the latest. What you call it now? Try to find the right word. I'm not finding it, but the latest phase in that look. You kill me, me kill you thing when I go on down there. So. You understand? So that's the thing there. In that case there, can tell say teach study every classroom thing 2000. And before that man, from about 99 come right back, man. You understand, John boy? You see me? After that time they were fascinated by the thing, but you see me? So watch it out, peeps. And then we watch the other one then, because we kind of young then time then when you to see them things there in a real life. You understand? So watch me now, peeps. We know the situation where West Kingston did run on for a while, and it is no secret that West Kingston would have been the stronghold of the Coke family and their affiliates for a while. You understand? From Jim Brown come right back down. You understand what I say? We don't have to call the name them, but we know the name them. You understand what I say? We don't know the name them. Zane come right back down to Dodos. And we know what Dodos situation and Dodos fate. Zane, and since the presidential clique could have been dismantled per se, there has been, and since the police military incursion in Tivoli, since that would have waned and served its time, there has been a no holds barred gang feud for turf between Tivoli and Denham Town and all sort of place down there. Zane, subsequently, the police would have detained Livity, that a Dodos brother, a couple of times. Them shoot him up one time somewhere in a Portmore there on a Hellshire there. You understand? He survived and thing. Zane. And them something there. Then you know, the police them said them they want him again the other day. Them list 5 people. Leighton Livity Coke, you know, Livity, them also call him Live Up. Christopher Coke, that a Dodos boy, him named Titty Man, them shoot him up both in 2016, if memory serves me correctly. Lanchester Coke, OC Bamati, so them they are the 3 Coke people them. Then you have an next brother named David Biggs, OC Alien. You've been telling about the name them in Alien. You understand? So what Alien are gonna do mankind? Like, you understand? And one next brother named Ratty. Me tell you, anyway you see a man named Ratty, watch him. Can't trust. You understand? So it is believed that they would have murdered, or they have information in relation to the murder of one Patrick Davis on March 12th. Patrick Davis is also called P-Boy. I guess we can give you some background, but one of them time, you know, right now. You understand what I say? I could have David call me, you know, though. Zane? After the police them list them as being wanted, they would have turned themselves over to the police, I think, later that day or the following day. Well, 2 of them, Tittyman and Livity, turn in themselves. Zane, Bamati and David Biggs and Ratty still there road. You understand what I say? So right now, I don't know what them up to, but them still there road. You understand? So they must know how that will benefit them. The men will be questioned and thing. You understand? I see Ratty from down St. James over there, man. Peter King, the man. Ryan Peter King, man. Notorious, man. You see me, I know this man named Ratty too. Can't trust Ratty them, sir. Yeah, Ratty them apart with Shatty. You understand? If you ask them for whole heap of runs, them got it. Titty man, yeah man. Titty man a Dodos boy, man. Zine, so I don't know if them involved, but the police and say them want them. Titty man and Livity turning themselves and things. So we have to see how that go. You understand what I say? Zine? Right now, as police ask him, man, and there's a turning himself. And the man now wait too long, you know. A Jamaican faces up to 30 years in US prison for a false declaration while buying a gun. In Jamaica, police find him with $1 million gun. KB sexy, so look like I just reached that building. I could have why? Eh? Why? Ginger too cute. Do I go on Empress? You see, everywhere we go as Jamaica, we go with foolishness, you know. And we see them old man at Jamaica with shipment of gun and then get all 3 years, 4 years. In the US, 30 years, you look pan, man. Serious business. You understand? Well, if you're black most of the time, anyway, that's the next story for your next time. Watch out now. Him name Kevin Ruddock, 34-year-old. So he bought the gun in Pennsylvania and he was indicted in a Pittsburgh court on 3 indictments. One, him upon a non-immigrant visa. Well, that's not really that they indict him for, but overstaying him time and having a gun, because he had a problem with the gun, you know. If you are not an American citizen and you are a visitor to the country on a non-immigrant visa, you are not permitted to be in possession of a firearm or ammunition. But here the problem starts with him, you know. When him go buy the gun, him tell them, say, him is an American citizen and him probably give them the wrong name. Me I get to understand. You understand? So him wrong from this. And him buy the gun. I don't want to lie upon the brother in a car. I still yard man. You understand? March 13, 2017. And by March 16, then running upon him. In America, you have a thing named Project Safe Neighborhood. So upon the Project Safe Neighborhood, then kind of running upon him. So here when them running upon him, you know, he had 123 rounds of ammunition upon him plus a gun. I don't know what kind of gun. Then he would have made false declaration claiming to be a US citizen on the form that you fill out when you're purchasing the gun. You understand? Then now, when them find him with the gun, him should then be back at Jamaica because him would then overstay the time with them did give him on a non-immigrant visa. So the brother and the people in them country are overstaying time. Him go buy gun. When he go buy the gun, he tell them saying right now, he's an American. At the Stars and Stripes, me thing there. You understand? Oh, see, can you find something like that? You understand that the anthem something there? You understand? Zin and in me man right now I look on 30 years or 750,000 US dollars or 30 years and 750,000 US dollars. You understand? So right now, I don't really know. You understand? Because right now the most you need the most because the thing look rough. 30 years, you know. If you tell lie. Yeah? Because at this you start out, you know. You start tell lie. You don't really work out the lie thing, you know. You understand? You know, I look a white lie more time. You probably put a little black pan and make it turn gray. But you understand? When you lie, then get black and red, man. A dangerous lie, them, man. You understand? Boy, I mean, I tell you. But then that gun went by could have probably end up at Jamaica too. So, man, as well that ends well, yeah, man. You understand? God work in mysterious ways, you know. Because enough of them go buy a gun like that and send come back. I mean, I say this man did do that, you know, but I say, you understand? Because I don't want to misquote me, you know. You understand? I say me the whole Trinity, hey, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. You understand? He probably need King David to sing a couple psalms too. You see me? Ah, boy. 15-year-old girl gone missing from St. Ann community. She seek Kramer. I never know them surname that they are Jamaica. Zane, a Kramer may I pronounce it. It spells Crammer. I guess it could be Kramer as well, but I like Kramer. Yeah, that sounds nice. Of SN Castle, Calderwood. Me no know which part of St. Ann names, so if you tell her the truth, you know. You understand? She went missing on May the 2nd. No peeps, that worrying because May the 2nd, I like 23 days ago, that another 3 weeks. 20, yeah, 3 weeks and 2 days, that a long time, that enough for a 15-year-old we're gone missing, You understand what I say? We're saying getting citizenship now, lawless. Boy, I tell you, easy, You understand? She was last seen on Wednesday, May the 2nd. She's of brown complexion. I did have a picture one time to share with you, but right now, I need to take no risk. Share that the next I'm going to lose on my stream again. Can't go bother with that. See? Not because I share, but because I first time I stream over here, so I can't bother with the technicalities. That me mean. So she's of brown complexion, medium build, about 157 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches tall. She was last seen in Alva District. I don't know this either. About 3 p.m. wearing a white blouse, gray tunic, black shoes, and black socks. I suppose she was coming from school because that sounds like a school uniform. See, the Alexandria police want some info if you don't have it. I can find them at 975 1016, the police emergency 119 number, or the nearest police station. Again, you can call Crime Stop to a 311 or 811. You understand? Hopefully this young lady is safe. May 2, today May 25th. Why? I don't know. Fingers crossed. As my father said, we are hope and pray. You understand? A long time that for true ginger too cute. Too long. You understand? 14-year-old. I hope she alright though. Big woman way. You understand? KB run. Alright, KB, you see a word. I know you probably have work in the night. Yeah. Manners and respect. Guidance. You understand? Walk good. Step with Jah. 6-month-old fetus found in downtown Kingston on Tuesday. It was found in Maiden Lane. And you know what kind of lane? The irony is unreal. You understand? Maiden Lane. 6-month-old fetus. Look on the irony. So the report is that, about 7 a.m., members of the community there say one dog like a run with the fetus in her mouth. And then rush the dog and the dog drop the fetus and run. You understand? And then call the police. Then, and closer inspection and examination, them realize that go on. You understand? Investigations are ongoing and we see what go on. Then rough. What they are them dash a 2 baby from KPH there too. You understand? I not even the 2 cover the story there. I think that was done inadvertently though, but we see one next time when they find one baby frozen in a scandal back down a town there. Be a thing going down a town there, Man a dash a baby, dog a eat baby. Hospital a dash a baby. Man a shoot man a face next door the police. Boy, I don't know. Down a town. Boy. Yeah, sad. Westmoreland man sentenced on lottery scamming charge. Then, 2 of them, they were sentenced for the possession of identity info. You understand? On Tuesday, May the 22nd. One of them named Damian Williams. I'm telling you about William. I don't know why to the man named Williams in a country, Yo, almost every time I come on live stream and I talk about sitting with bad when Williams involved in it. Like, me not understand. I change all my name here, man. Because right now, I don't know. That name don't fit me. You understand? Me not fit the name then either. Because I say, me not understand, man. Same name, Damian Williams. Damian Williams. That him should end name. You understand? Was arrested and charged on April the 1st. He pleaded guilty on May the 3rd. He was fined $350,000 Jamaican dollars with an alternative if he can't pay the $350,000 of 2 years. Suspended for 3 years. I don't know. Something wrong with that. Probably me right down that's wrong. But at that one, the next one in name Shane Burton pleaded guilty as well on May the 17th. $250,000 or 2 years. Some things, yeah, but them are charge them, You understand? Mr. Tora, I think me tell you about Them ask me. Shanna, go on. Go on. Go on. Elderly farmer found dead in coal kiln. I say you call it. Zane. When we grow up, we call it coal kiln. But it's spelled K-L-I-N, I think. So it's coal kiln. Yeah. You know, English or so English. Because one foreign language mean, you know. You understand? And yeah, that one there. I mean, really. You understand? So, this is the situation, you know. The man was found lying face down in his coal kiln. 73-year-old Alfred Evans of Brompton District. So the police are investigating no more. Well, them not know if it is foul play or the man just dropped down in a court. You understand and thing. Sad situation though. Zane, at 73-year-old, big man should end there home, cock up him foot and watch TV still. You understand? But it things that are way if you know say the boss still have to hustle and you see me? At 73-year-old. I think a cool skill to you know, Shelly, but I know cool skill and Alan skill cool. A K-L-I-N. You understand? So whichever way that pronounce it. You see me? Yeah. I probably faint him for true. You understand? Probably faint. But it unfortunate though. And you see the story, the lesson in this is that a man at 73-year-old still a try dig for female. And we have some man we are 23, we are dig people one. You understand what I say? You see the irony in the thing? 73-year-old elder still a hustle for fame. And some man we are 23 a hustle for people one. And them now dropping in a cold killing. That cold sitting there, yeah. I have to go listen to pronunciation pa the internet and fix it. See, them now dropping a nothing, you know. And this a 73-year-old elder, you know, we are try govern him thing. Boy, me I tell you. Two men listed as wanted in St. Catherine North. See, you know, St. Catherine North is currently under a state of public emergency. They are 35-year-old Alvin Messam, OC Kevin of McGregor Lane, and a man only known as Puddy. P-U-D-D-Y. Zane, they are wanted in relation to a murder that was committed on April the 28th. Well, Messam is wanted for the murder, that is. So Messam OC Kevin, Alvin Messam OC Kevin, he was wanted for the murder that is believed to have been committed on April the 28th, 2018. And Puddy is wanted for shooting with intent in the Willardine area of Spanish Town. You understand? Ah boy, so peeps, couple of weeks ago, I would have uploaded a video about another Jamaican dreamhouse nightmare. And in that particular video, I was sharing the unfortunate demise of returning resident Darrell Walker, 63 years old, would have spent a large part of his life in Birmingham, bought bought a wonderful house in Tower Isles, Spring Valley, Rain over here, they St. Mary, a place that I know extremely well. And he was found dead on April the I don't want to tell you the wrong date. On April the 19th. Then person start theorizing, say a bad mind and people want him house, and some people even say I'm wife do it and thing. Investigation by the police would have revealed that might not have been the case, as they would have arrested. I would have done and uploaded the video earlier today, so if you haven't seen it, you can go watch it for more information. If you don't see it, go watch it. Or if you want to. Please and thanks, and like the video, and comment on it, and share with everybody who want to know. Bombard. Yeah. The police lock up two umbrella now. So this is the allegation. Is that Mr. Delroy Walker, after him buy the house, him do some renovation and some, you understand? Them something there. And say, you know, him a paint up the house because my wife come out, you know, and everybody will live there together happily ever after there. You understand? And he would have employed one man when named Dwayne Barton, 25-year-old, 25-year-old. We paint sections of the house. See? I asked for the Wi-Fi code and I'm tuning in. Yeah, boss in a Jasmine. And you see the people that get the Wi-Fi code, them are boss too. And tell them to big up themselves. Tell them to teach them so them are general. You understand? So after I'm employ Mr. 25-year-old Dwayne Barton and we paint sections of the house because the house big like that too. See? The painting job should have taken weeks. That is what the story I say. But the paint job now take a couple of days. Say man, I say paint job is not hot. Me not too love it. You understand? And right now, you have to probably do it over back. I say the money when me did say me I go pay you can't get the money there because the house not paint properly. Because you can't go paint my house in about a week or two and you paint my house in a 2 or 3 days. And you is not a robot, sir. Alright, I know your paint no look good. And my house hot, and I want my house to look hot. So, is it they go paint over the house, or you will get less money because I go pay somebody else to paint the house properly. Because right now it's like a prime my house. You understand? Like my house is a grill. You see me? So then now, Mr. 25-year-old Dwayne Barton decides he might go want the money where them did agree upon, and a verbal conflict developed and reports are that it turned physical. I don't know how physical it got, because a 25-year-old man I get physical with a 63-year-old man, then you understand. It is reported that Barton went away and a couple of days TD, you should have do a video telling us about the live stream. What do you mean by that? I mean, every video I comment on, I upload it on Instagram, I upload it on Facebook, I do it on the YouTube community, I leave it as pinned comment in another video them recently. Empress Love, take time with me now, man. You understand? Me I tell you, say, over here, say, thing. As a matter of fact, you suggest, say, if you can stream over here, say, Empress Love. So, don't make me have nothing in a public. You understand? Yeah. You're late, man. Put up your hand and say, sir, I'm late and I'm sorry. I will not be late again on Sunday. We're done. You understand what I say? Watch me, I know. Welcome, Empress. Good to have you. I'm peace. Empress I teach. You know, easy. You know, I have a second channel over there streaming now go on. I want to you. So I'm not going to take no credit for. I really see the test. So you understand? Because I kind of plan to do the thing a different way. When I sit down and discuss the thing then by myself and upload on and watch me. Chat. You understand? Zane, Tony Brown, want to go on. Lorraine Castro. Blessings, Empress. Watch me, I know. Yeah, Tony, I saw a thing. I'm glad you find it. Zane, so now, peeps, Dwayne Barton, you know, after he mess up the man paint job, and the man say, right, I don't can't go pay the full money, you know, because the house not paint properly. Zane, so is it they go paint over the house? Me just set apart, I don't know. Or, you know, get the full money because I still have to go pay a next man to paint the house. So the man start cuss, and them say get physical. I don't know the extent of how physical it got. Zane, them say went away, and a couple of days him come back with apparently no one of him friend, 26-year-old Davian Edwards, and murder Delroy Walker, stab him multiple times in the upper section of his body. You understand? Police was alerted on the morning of April 19th about 9 o'clock when they would have seen a blood trail leading from the premises. Yeah? Family members who would have flown down from England to observe the crime scene said that there would have been a struggle. Evidence would have been there because furniture was broken. Some things had mashed up and things. So apparently there would have been a good old struggle, and Mr. Walker did a fight for him life. Sad. You understand? Imagine you spend so much years in the cold, in a freezer. You understand? And you decide, so you want to spend the rest of your life at tow out a yard. You understand? And employ some youth a yard. Zane, and probably a come and see all the youth a suffer and a dead for hunger and decide to give him a work, you know. But if I hear them say sorry for Margadog and Margadog turn on bite you. Zane, probably a beg him and I'll go beg him a work, you know. And the man says, all right, me I help two youth, can I come back if I help some youth. Give the man a work, and the man, him friend go kill the man after I mess up the man paint job. You understand me? I say, I'm telling you about the youth, them, you know. When I tell me about the youth, them want work, they don't want no work. Because the man get a job. Right now, you go paint all the man house. Him probably responsible for the house after that. Anything if you go on the house, are probably him responsible for. But you see, when I have that mentality there, see him? When I have that mentality there, brother. You understand me? I say, good a sufferer, and the man see him and I try to help him. You understand? You pull off the man wall. See him? TD, we are in the house never paying good. Me I pray probably inside that house in the Empress. You want me to get a detail part of it still, but you want to look like a inside, because outside hot, outside look good. You understand? It look like a somebody else paint that part. I don't know. Zane? Marjan, you just find over your Marjan. Me and you have strong words, you know. Because you know better than that, Marjan. You can't look for your classroom up on the same building at the school where you go from about 1 year now. And you never come on the side of the building yet, and you take your one whole day to find a class. So yeah, people, they think sad. You understand? Here is a man who believe in him country, who willing to put him money where him out there. That house cannot be cheap. Because I can tell you that the house in Spring Valley and Tower Isles and Rainover and a boy buy their house there. Them house are not cheap. You understand what I say? You see some people are trying to sabotage you. You understand what I say? Welcome to Marjan. Zane and Peeps. I don't think Clyde no war over here yet still. That situation before yet. Remember that you would have suffered a stroke recently. His speech is now a lot better. He's not slurring anymore. He is now doing physiotherapy, as you call that. You understand? Trying to walk again and them something. So we give thanks for that. And I know some people reach out to him personally and thing. You see me? And you know anything go. So me not even remember if I tell him say I over here so with this, him probably a cuss me say. But me take a cuss. You understand? I link him up tomorrow and I like that. I'm probably even asleep, you know too. Zane, they also not cheap, man, and the man come here now and because a very affluent neighborhood. Trust me, I'm saying I know them places like it back of me hand. You understand what I say? So it things sad, yo. Things sad. So the police would have arrested both Davy and Edwards, 26-year-old, and Dwayne Barton, he's my ringleader. You understand? They know, based on information, would have confessed to their part in the murder. Zane, somebody come on the video and I say, yo, not no go so, and there's more to it. I cannot speak to that. The information that I have is the information that I have, and I can only give you the information that I have. I will not add anything to it. I will not subtract anything from it, and on my style. I'm going to tell the person, say, yo, go on. If you really know the true story, link me and give me. You understand? I'll be more than happy to share it if it can be shared. You understand? So, you understand what I say? So, I don't know. Yeah, because I say that to myself in a time here. Because it, more than likely, all the time I would have enough money to employ one reputable painting company. You understand what I say? Or some reputable man who do the painting thing. But as me I say, probably, and I don't think necessarily cheap him a cheap out, you know. Him just want to help some youth. Based on him, remember, you know, this man was a charity champion back in Birmingham, you know. He would have devoted his life to charity and giving back for years. So my thing say, but TD, you know, sometimes people don't want to pay up when you finish the work. That's true to Empress. But as me I say, another information that me get still, so me can't even to theorize here that. But that is true too. You understand what I say? So, I don't know. I just give you what me get here, sir. You understand? But you raise some solid points still. But I don't know say achieve him a cheap or I forgot more or less him just want to help some youths. You see me? And that's the thing go. You understand? Zane? Teacher, right, when you said them not find it. They not find it yet, man. Because this line, are the real people them there, you know a thing go. Them are going to hear about it, you know. You understand? But you haters, them not find it yet, man. But them are find it. Because they don't know a thing go. Watch you now. Men. MEN. Men, it has been reported, have been flocking to shops to pierce their nipples. Oh, them says I love triangle that G. Oh, me never see the follow-up, you know. Me have to go look upon it again. You understand? But me I say them have the info them for give me. But me I say, you know, let me get back to that story of that G. Cause I say, me concern. And the story I say, you go on, you know. You man them a flock, them place where pierce. You don't even know where them place in, because I mean I do no piercing. You understand? To pierce their nipples, family. And me I try to look into it. And me I say, all right. Because when we're in Jamaica, the homosexuality thing kind of broader than what we think. So I them people there. Because me not even was a male. Because I don't know what them be. You understand? But when me kind of delve into the article, you know, me I get to find out, say, right, you know, yes, them must say a lot of homosexual men come deal with it. But you want to say more supposedly straight men are doing it than homosexual men. As a matter of fact, a thing I say, now for the man them come there with them woman, because you know, a long time ladies are piercing nipples. See? And some of the man them come with them female counterpart. And right now, the man them a take a thing on a level where the man them a get matching, what you call it, nipple rings as them woman. The only ring when me I get to look anything remotely like you want my woman have on, it must have a wedding ring. No other ring can work. You understand? Me say, the only ring we're supposed to match one ring where my female counterpart on must be a wedding ring. You understand? No other ring now play. Me not use that. And enough of them money, you know, you see a burn out certain things, you know, and them not this and them not that. It's them, you know. It's uno. Uno. Uno see him one. Uno is some undercover things, you know. You understand? Me not trust, you know. You see me? Dr. Shane Alexis now, who is the head of the Jamaica Medical Association. He did the PNP brother where they run down at St. Mary Eastern or the too. Sugar Shane. But you say I must say ring ding. No, but look here. Miss Lou with them frowns for ear. Good ring ding name and mix up in this margin. Me I tell you right now, when I say that, Miss Lou kick one time in her grave there. You understand? So now do it again. You understand? it of ignorance. Say, oh, you never stay a joker. Yo, enough ignorance over the bar. Joker! The lady asks you a question, sir. You understand? And in the class, it's not only teacher can ask a question, students can ask student questions. I mean, I permit the question. I don't know you have to say long for your answer neither too. You understand? It's a Riga Rosie. Yo. My friends, me I tell you, me not feel good in myself about it. But no, some of my Jamaican brothers them. You understand? Everything the woman them do, the man them are doing right now. The woman them they about them nose. Man have more piercing on their nose than woman. One time the woman them used to board their ears, so right now the man them board their ears more than the woman them. Right now, I'll never ring the man them out here. Tongue ring, blush. Yeah, person. You understand? Me don't know. Zin? Me don't know. Don't know. Me bet my money on me lose for the Jamaican man them, brother. Me lose, man. If you know say, boy, me I tell you. To each his own still. But the doctor say right now that thing that dangerous. And you have to be careful because we know in Jamaica, say the persons who are mostly responsible for the spread of HIV and AIDS are men who have sex with men. The data is there to prove that. Hands down. And if none of them man, they got them place, they'll get them nipples pierced. You can imagine, say, blood involved and them something there and other bodily secretion and them things, and be careful. Man, the hype take on a life. Because I can't understand. Some of the people that must say, females do it because them partner find it sexy and it aids with stimulation and thing. Me don't know why man then do it. Me don't really want to know neither because you can't tell me nothing to justify that. You understand? Why I don't know, yeah, man. So sometimes we catch some things and we wonder how we catch it. Because we involved in every foolishness. But Tom, Dick, and Harry involved, you know. So, peeps, I can wrap up that something quick and fast. You would have seen recently where I would have been doing a series of videos on the Vybz Kartel appeal, pending appeal, and I would have touched on the trial. Though that series will continue for some time. Zane, you would have seen also yesterday that the final case management hearing was held, and some new revelations came out of it. And some people get excited. You understand? Some man get excited. Calm down. Calm down. If you go back to the video that I would have done about what to expect during the trial, I would have said a number of times that no new evidence will be permitted only under one circumstance. Bert Samuels, who I think is one of the best attorneys in the country, he's representing Sean Storm, because you know that Miguel Lorne was Sean Storm. I think Miguel Lorne was the only sensible lawyer during the trial. I mean, I said that publicly. I think the Finsons were a waste of space. I think that they did nothing. And I think that with another lawyer, not that the outcome might have been different, but at least the defense would have put up a bigger fight. I think that they were very, very casual, because I think that they were hoping to eat a food off of the appeal. And that's my personal opinion on the thing that. See? Waste of time them, man. Right now, me couldn't do a better job in that case there. You understand? No. Bert Samuels would have tried to get new evidence presented for the appeal. I think it was rejected by the justice and said that them have to do that, try that when the appeal starts on July the 9th, I think, that day there. Zane, they are saying that they have a copy of the official statement given by the star witness, and Miguel Lorne was not given the opportunity to argue some of those points, and as such, Zane, and as such, his client was not given a fair chance to prove his innocence. All right. Kartel's attorney, we can tell some of the people over the day yesterday. Tom Tavares Finson, as well as Senior Smith, Bert Samuels. I don't know if Valerie Nita did it, because Valerie Nita the pan Kartel team and out one thing. Power us. You understand what I say? But a portion of things. So I see some man get excited and say, remember that it was not permitted, and the justice told them that they will have to try their luck when the appeal starts. New evidence can be admitted, but under extreme circumstances. You understand what I say? And if you're following, and peeps, now listen to the hype, Zane, I mean, I have a real info upon this. Take it when me tell you, from a legal perspective, because the research is ironclad. You understand? We won't get everything right because you know it thing go, but at the end of the day, you don't know it thing set up. See, we say them need Peter and KD Knight. Me I tell you, Peter, KD Knight, Bert Samuels, I team that can't lose. You understand? So watch me now. I will continue shedding some more light on that. Zane, you know, me can't take a position on them video there because we have to be objective, and we try to be objective anyway. You understand? So we just have to give the hard cold facts. Some people, them video they now go explode because of the truth the video them attack. And the conspiracy people them and the people them we are sensationalize the thing and a talk all manner of crap video them go viral. But that's how the thing go still. We don't know how our thing go already, and we know how our thing said. You understand? So we'll see how that go. And I will continue putting out those videos in a timely manner, strategic and thing. You understand? And something. So, you know, Kartel was in 2014, they were convicted and sentenced. Kartel 25 years before being eligible for parole. Andre St. John, I think them call him Madsus, 30 years before being eligible for parole. Sean Campbell, Sean Storm, and Kahira Jones, call him Kyra, I suppose, have served 25 years. So we're going to see what go on with the appeal. Zane Peeps, as me I say, if you really on that one, know and it thing go, yes, I think there. I'm serious on me tell that because our research is coming from a place of authority. You understand? Just take it from me this. Zane? But you know, we are not liar. We never got law school, a teachers, college, and university. We go. You understand? That's the thing there. And so the appeal was granted only on the ground a judge used. At 12 grounds, you know, at 12 grounds, the appeal was granted on. Zane, but it was granted in relation to the judge. Because, as I said, the jury don't get involved in an appeal anymore. It is the appeal process is focused on errors that the judge would have made. So now, Bert Samuels is trying to point out one of the errors, which is not allowing the previous attorney for Sean Storm to have access to the statement because the prosecution would have stated that they lost the original statement, which is kind of fishy still. You understand what I say? Me not make you feel now you're impressed. Me just make you know the facts. What the facts? You understand? So we now do this, and everybody knows that Kartel are my artist. You understand? But the facts are the facts. Whether I'm artist or not. And me and tell you all the things I go and what you can expect. See, what will eventually happen, you know, what you should expect for the process and what will happen and how it will happen and possibilities in terms of lawyer and justices and them things. You understand what I mean? So Peter, that's the thing there. We have no control over it. Seeing it is what it is, and we'll see how it goes. Seeing? So peeps, I want to take the opportunity here to tell the people them, the real people them, where they are in the night here, say, I love you like that. You understand what I mean? I say, you just a follow back on me. Anywhere I go, you did it. I respect that. I appreciate that because you never have to do this. See, the people them say, yo, what? Extra class have to go on and thing. And I want to make it possible. We know say it will grow as we go along here. So and peeps, we need a channel here for grow too. So that is why we never got Instagram or Facebook because we say we have a channel right there, so we can start eat a local food on the road too. So why not? So we want to build this. And me fear we don't know because some people don't know. Since the new changes, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers before your channel become eligible for monetization. So at least when we done stream on that channel here, and we gone stream over the real place, you understand, over the real school, that channel here can start depend on a solid footing, and me I leave that in a phone hands. See, so for the people that may have cussing now and say, oh, class not keep tonight, because I know they're on the channel search, you know. You understand? And thing, when I make them know, say, yes, I think they're on a Monday. See? They say, no, I'm not follow back on. Just say a word of that IJ. Well, I guess they are for natural reason and Empress Love and Tamira. But I mean, them a follow back. So I guess I follow back them, I follow back me. Some follow back go on for Billy. Yeah, that's what I say. Zane, 4K is not a whole heap, but no man, but between myself and a brother, Johnny boy, in a couple streams, as a matter of fact, in a one stream, brother, me can cover that. When the stream up and live and teach them, they will cover that. Me I tell you, easily. You understand? But for some man, it rough. But in a one stream, man, you understand? We can cover that if the stream run long enough and the people that watch the stream. So me I tell you, it's not that hard, believe me. But the 1,000 subscribers, we need to forget that right now we have 200 there, so we 800 out the road there. So phone job that to build that. You understand? And anything, peeps, this are the backup channel, because anything can go on. You understand? So we want to set that channel up on a level. So if anything, we just transfer me back because YouTube up on a mission now for hunt and destroy, yeah, sir. Zane, and the small man them on YouTube, you know, in a problem, in a worries. The man them just I get rid of some channel for the smallest reason why some channel was still a upload. I see a channel, the Paul, some Paul brother, something. Them upload a video of a suicide victim the other day. And if my channel do that, them take off my channel completely off a platform. And then them on the still have them channel. You understand what I mean? I say, I them things they are going. Them say, them not promote no video where have any we call it any tragedy night. And when them shoot up Las Vegas, what a brother their name, I remember, but it's a network, them linked to a network. Them have about 110 million subscribers and thing. Them show it. You understand me? I say, and advertisement I run for them thing and for them thing I train for days. So at the end of the day, Zane must say Jake Paul them name or something like that for True Empress. You understand me? I say? So the thing is this, peeps. A channel like mine, nothing to YouTube. So for YouTube support my channel, nothing to them. You understand? So we have to be cognizant of that. I don't know our platform. So we try to abide by the rules. We try to abide by the rules and thing. But say PewDiePie go up on racist rant regular. And PewDiePie are still the biggest YouTuber in terms of film niche, film market. And them still there. You understand what I say? So at the end of the day, the people them where, boy, it's all politics here, peeps. At the end of the day, so at the end of the day, we have to ensure so we have a backup plan, though. Plan B, if anything. Zane? So, we have to help build this too. So if we don't want the things to continue and want secure sustainability and everything, we have to ensure so everything built too. You understand what I mean? I said, Sherry Jackson just a find a class on the bell ring. You understand? Welcome to Sherry, at least you know who this son. You understand? That's the thing. Let me say random guy, what you do with? And a Jake Paul. It is his brother. Logan Paul. Logan Paul for sure. That's the name. Logan Paul. You understand what I say? So that's the thing. So peeps, we there you know. You know, so this is the spot Friday night and Sunday evening until we can go back over our place. I will upload the videos on the channel just the same for the people that never see it and thing. You know, I think go additional work that, but what? It work off do. So for the people that were there for episode 63, Joshua Star. Zane, we appreciate the support, we appreciate the love. And we want to get back to have 150, 200 people that watch the stream every night and thing again and them something. But we know we get there. The word that go around. We know the haters them not running yet and thing. So until them come, we start from scratch again. So thanks again, peeps. Thanks again for spreading the word. Thanks again for the encouragement. And me disappointed, yes. But at the end of the day, I need to get to me like that. Because I know at the end of the day, we did overcome the obstacle. I just one of them. Zane, I just one of them and we're there. And we have fight the thing said we. Because as we said, the show have to go on. Don't. So peeps, big up on yourself. Sunday again. Right, so we're there for the people that want to subscribe yet. Make sure you knock the subscribe button. We want to knock 1,000 subscribers at least. You understand by August. So far we are get Zane and thing, so we can go and balance over as I said way. I soon start upload some gym video when I go back at gym and not fat again. You understand them something there, something. So peeps, enjoy the rest of your weekend. You know I think have something nice to eat, have something nice to drink if you have to go up on the road. Be wise, follow your instinct, load the headphone them, walk with only the cash you need, travel in a group, if you have to take taxi, shot somebody the license plate number if a boy. Now when you take all them license plate, make him go on with the old car, more car up on the road. If it feel wrong, it's wrong. You understand what I say? Spend some time with the people them who you love. Tell them say you love them. If you have to drink, don't drive. If you have to drive, don't drink. I need to tell Lisa say over here so with it, you know, because I need to message her about it at night, you know. You understand? Because she need to know. Say on a Friday night and a Saturday night, she have to load the lake. You understand? Come in our class. See me. Can't go walk. Ready again now, peeps. Big up on the damn self. You understand? For the people that reach, don't know anything go. For the people that never get for reach, make them know them need for reach. When I say Renee, look like Renee don't know how to go on. Tamira 187, Ruth Daly, Sherry Jackson. Oh, peeps, see, lied there. Lied fine. I mean, even link lied. Me chat boy, you're not too long enough. Say, you probably have cost me. I say, I make you know how to go on and thing. And then I say, we take a cost. You understand? So, peeps, lied in the building, lied chat boat. Me don't show no the vibe. So, I want to give lied that ear and make him know, say, we are pray. Say, him recover him farm real quick and thing and he can do road again. And you understand? We're glad say him still there. Can check in and thing because we know them thing they got. You understand? And once his life, there's hope. Don't. So, like, big up yourself, brother. Ruth Daly, Marjan Edwards, Joker Free Speech, Anna and J.A. Review, Daniel Scarlett, Kingston 2, Jennifer Chance, Millicent Thomas, Matt Dermott, Julian Gillis, Lai Chatbot, Tamir 187, I think I call Tamir name already. Pauline Smith, Zane, who else there? So now, Damian White. Enough ignorance. Big up yourself, you know, Empress. You know, you're a general like that. And you joined the family not so long ago, and it's like you're there a long time. Zane, Joker Free Speech, Joker, you know you're my brother like that. You don't need to talk enough about that. Simple sin. Hey, beautiful. New Wave Entertainment, New Wave walk, go on. You see me? Tony Brown. Who me not call yet? Mr. Random Guy, big up yourself in a family. Empress Love, boy, Empress. Yeah, I'm a general, you know, in a real life. Johnny Boy, walk, go on you out, everything good, manners and respect. Letitia Cunningham. Who else me not shout out yet? Junior Dirt, 2K2, Jaden, brother, Reese, Natural. You know, we love the natural here, ladies, them, you know. Miss Royal Empress, I be impressing anything, you know, queen and empresses and princesses. You understand? Amelia Williams, Shanna, big up yourself, you know, mama. You know what thing go? You understand? So, peeps, we will check out until Sunday, 5:30. Make sure say, when you turn on the local bell, when you subscribe, so when we go live, when you know at the same time slot, when you know the time slot from long time, that not change. It's just a location change, because them kind of remodel the classroom. So we kind of have to use a different classroom. You understand what I mean? I say, lad, you know, we chat local more, you know, worry yourself, brother. Shelly M, everybody when I think, big up on yourself, peeps. I look some food and get some sleep and things. So me talk to you on Sunday. You understand? I'm out. Guidance. One love. Walk good. Step with ya. Sunday.